Here I have TCL 306, and today I'm going to show you how to enter secret codes on this device, and will show you some of these secret codes too. So to enter secret codes, open the keypad on your phone application and enter secret codes here. And the first code for today will be *##426 *##, and this is the code which displays your FCM diagnostics menu, which has some information about your Wi-Fi connection, so could be useful. The next code will be *##225 *##, and this is the code which displays your calendar info. If you have any calendars added, they will be displayed here. The next code will be *#07#, and this is the regulatory and safety information and some other information about your device. And the last code for today, *#06#, and this is the code which displays your email numbers and also your serial number. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.